Love it or hate it, this has been one of the most iconic building in the Fifth Avenue.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
We are Suprash. Right now we are at Fifth Avenue, which is also known as Shopping Street of Dreams. So here basically you can come over, do some shopping. There's also very top brands. Shops are available here and a cathedral and many other places.
We are currently in front of Rockefeller Center. You see the building behind us. It's also one of the famous landmarks in New York.
So today it's basically a bit chill because we are just going to walk around the streets, do some window shopping and just spend our time soaking the vibes of New York.
And of course, a trip to New York is not complete without a visit to Times Square. So we'll also be showing you Times Square in this video.
So right next to the Rockefeller Center, people can also come over here and dine, and the vibe around here is just very magical. I think you should definitely come around here. Maybe try to come during the evening time. You'll see also a lot of flags all around over here. It's like really amazing and happening place.
And the lights just turned on, so this is perfect timing. Right on Fifth Avenue, they even have a St. Patrick's Cathedral. It looks beautiful to see this cathedral in the midst of all the tall skyscraping buildings.
Right now we are in front of the Trump Tower building. Love it or hate it, this has been one of the most iconic building in the Fifth Avenue.
This is a 50th story skyscraper, which is a mixed-use building. You have some luxury stores, cafes, and even the Trump Organization offices inside. Fun fact, did you know that Donald Trump used to live here before becoming the President of the United States?
The tower inside looks very amazing, very nice AC as well, but it's like everything is, how do you say, with a gold color, so it kind of gives a very rich feeling when you enter the building.
It definitely feels very hi-fi and luxurious as well.
Here you see the Louis Vuitton building on Fifth Avenue. So it's currently undergoing a major renovation, and to conceal the construction, the building has been wrapped in a large scale temporary facade resembling stacked Louis Vuitton trunks. They have made it fascinating. We are right now standing in front of the Apple Store. It's one of the iconic spots in the Fifth Avenue. If you are here, definitely come and give a visit. Just look at the exterior outside. Does it really look like just a store? And the most fun fact is that this store is open 365 days a year, 24/7. So which means literally you can come at 3 a.m. and walk into this shop.
While walking from Fifth Avenue towards Times Square, we came across the plaza and we've taken a small stop over here. You can see how peaceful it is, how beautiful it looks. We are approaching Times Square and you can see all the billboards, all the lights, all the colors. It's just an amazing experience. It's something which we've only seen in movies and series till now, and we are getting to be right over there.
As soon as we come to Times Square, it doesn't look like New York anymore. I mean, it really looks like a completely different planet because this area is still very different compared to the other areas which we visited so far. We can really understand the hype about Times Square. It's really, worth it to come and visit here.
So now I'm standing right in the middle of Times Square and you can see the vibe over here. It's just amazing. Billboards all around, colors, people. Oh my god, there's just no words to describe this. It's a really amazing feeling. Another unique thing that happens at Times Square is there's an art display at midnight.
And it's the same art display all over the place. So it starts at 11:57 p.m. and it goes on till midnight. So you have 3 minutes to watch this. So just standing at the Times Square, we will end our video here.
Do let us know how you enjoyed experiencing Times Square with Suprash in the comments down below.
And if you like this video, don't forget to like,
Share
because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.